Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a backup on your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. So to backup files on your computer, if you're speaking just regular files from your file storage, you can just save the files from your computer on your Google Drive, which is available as one of the directory, and your data will be available the next time you use your Chromebook. So just you can retrieve your data from the Google Drive, which is, I think, a very convenient thing to do and pretty easy to. Now, if we're talking about Linux applications, Linux data you have on your computer, you have to go to Settings, then About Chrome OS. After that, you're gonna have to open Linux development environment, and then you're gonna have to select backup and restore. After that, we're gonna have to select backup, but we need some place to backup our files to, so you can use an external USB flash drive, you can use an SD card, just connect it to your laptop. All right, we have the USB port on the left edge. So let me just quickly connect this USB flash drive. Select backup right here, and then select the files that you want to backup. And click Save, and so your Linux backup files will be backing up, and it's gonna take a while. You can of course observe the progress by clicking this penguin right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.